Here to perform Own Thing, ladies and gentlemen, Gracie Love.
Sometimes the person you want. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Ride for them, die for them. But sometimes you gotta let them know. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, got my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. Remembering all the days I spent on us when I should have been with my girls at the club. Acting up 'cause you run around acting real tough. So my love ain't good enough, but my heart then left me with the pieces to pick up. Many days I dreamed of us. Now my new man wanna pick me up, using him to fight temptations of us. But I know I'm so much stronger without you. Hold my head up since I ain't got you. Found me since I lost you. Never knew this world, I'm so brand new. No more wondering what's me without you. Don't wanna put him through what I've been through. So I'm cool on you, my walk on you. I do my own thing, baby, got my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, got my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. I do my own thing. Hey, come on, y'all, hey. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, got my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. Can't believe after all this time I'm finally free to do me. Found a new definition of sexy. Learn how to love me, a new G. More than his body's calling me, so I stepped up like I took a plea. Told myself wouldn't be less than a queen. Now a real king wanna wifey me. Made me forget about what could be. Forgot about you with me. Growing to a T, my newfound personality. And all he needs is me, a real G. I do my own thing, baby, got my own things. I do my own thing, baby, I do my own thing, baby, got my own things. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, got my own things. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. I do my own thing, baby, got my own things. I do my own thing, baby, do my own thing. I do my own thing, yeah. You do your own thing, yeah. You do your own thing, yeah. Sometimes the person you want don't want you. You ride for them, you die for them, but sometimes you gotta let them know though.
Hey everybody, it is time to cook. After an amazing performance like that, I'm definitely hungry. So I'm going to show you guys a delicious way to make a takeout favorite. I know how many of you guys love your Chinese food. So let me show you how to make one of my favorites that I like to get when we're ordering some late night Chinese food. So I'm going to show you guys how to make some beef fried rice. Okay, really simple, really easy. All right, I'm gonna start with my little fajita mixed steak. You can get a regular steak, cut it up if you would like, but if we're doing something really quick and simple, you just got off work, right? You've been working 8 to 5, but you didn't get off to 5:30, right? This is a quick way to get you something to eat. So we're gonna just use this. I already got my pan and I'm using my wok today. Okay, you guys know I love my wok. It's a simple one pan easy trick whenever you want to make something like this. So I got my oil already in the wok. I'm going to just go ahead, pour that meat right in there. And then we're going to just let that cook right on up. I'll open it, baby. Hold on. I broke it. Sorry. Open it. And again, dishes like this, when you're a mom, you just worked all day, you got your babies bouncing around. This is a quick and simple, easy meal. Here, baby. I just bought him an easel, so I got my little artist today. So we're going to go ahead and give this a quick little stir. And this isn't going to take long. It's already cooked. I am going to add some seasonings into this dough, okay? So just real quick, I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of some minced onion. I got a little bit of minced garlic. There we go. And I'm just for kicks gonna add just a little bit of Mrs. Dash to mine. This is completely optional for you guys. Okay. All right, let's stir this up. And we're just gonna let that cook just until it's cooked through. Again, mine is already cooked, so we're probably gonna let this cook about 8 minutes. Again, I just want to get it really cooked through because it's frozen obviously, so we want to just get it heated up pretty much is what we're doing, and just hitting it with a little bit of extra flavor. Okay, so let's let that cook on up, and we're gonna keep on going. All right, guys, now that our meat is all cooked up, we're going to go ahead and remove it from our pan so we can get started cooking on that egg. Now, if you're someone that doesn't like egg, this is completely optional, but I love the egg inside of my fried rice. That's what really makes it the fried rice, right? So let's go ahead and take our meat out now. It smells good already. Go ahead, pull all that out. And we want to leave all that seasoning in there because we're going to cook our egg right in there and drop it right in there. All right. Got a couple of flyaways. I'll just go ahead and do 3 because it's only 1 egg left. So let's go ahead and pop 3 in there. And I'm going to scramble my eggs up. If you like your eggs runny, you could go ahead and do the runny egg. But I like my eggs fried right on up. Getting in all that goodness. So just let your eggs cook up, and then we'll go ahead, and next will be to add in the rice. All right, so those eggs are cooked up really nicely. We're going to go ahead, and this is optional too, but I love my peas and my carrots in my fried rice, so I'm going to add that in there with my egg. I'm going to go ahead and add my rice. I use bag rice that I cooked last night, and I love this basmati rice. I love it. So you guys can pick whatever rice you want to use, jasmine rice, regular white rice, doesn't really matter. You can use long grain rice. We're going to add that all in there really nicely. And we're going to give that a real nice stir. Oh, that looks fabulous. Now in there, we're going to start building the color. So I'm going to add some of this hoisin sauce. Now I know this isn't something that everybody has, but if you're going to be doing some Chinese takeout, these are some of the things you're going to need. So I'm going to add some of that hoisin sauce in there. Badao. We're going to add some of our soy sauce, okay? That's going to give it its color as well, and that little saltiness we all like. I'm going to pour that in there. And then gochujang sauce. That's going to give it a nice little bold pepper flavor. And then stir this all up. And you see how we're getting that color on that rice now. That smells so good. And like I said, that's what's giving it that color when you get that fried rice. Fabulous. That is looking so good, you guys. Oh, yes, baby. It smells like Chinese takeout. All right. So we got that stirred up really, really nicely. I like that. We're going to go ahead and add our meat into there now. All them juices. We want all that flavor, baby. We want all that flavor. It's all right. And then we're going to stir that together. And I'm going to add just a little bit of sesame oil, just a little bit. Sesame oil is so strong of a flavor. You just want to add a little bit of that, okay? For real, for real. And I'm going to add just a little bit more soy sauce. And just a little bit more gochujang. And give that a nice stir. That smells so delicious. And it looks fantastic. So we're just stirring that, making sure that all our rice, all our meat, everything is covered with all that sauce, all that flavor. And again, I love the wok. I love dishes like this that are just one pan, really quick and simple, especially when you got a 2-year-old running around. You just got off work. We are done, baby. Only thing left to do, let it cool, and it's time to plate. All right, our food is now nice and cooled, and it is time for my other favorite part. It's time to eat, baby. So let's go ahead and make us a healthy helping of this dish right here. Get a nice taste of all of that. All right, baby. We got the meat. We got our veggies. All I need is some crab ragoons, baby. That's delicious. Quick, simple, easy. That's how we love it. And it tastes just like my neighborhood Chinese restaurant. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's exciting episode. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Shout out to everybody who has worked with us and been on this journey with us. Make sure you guys get your copy of Quick Fix Meals on Amazon and check out the new single featuring Red Vegas, Take Me Away. Until next time, you guys, enjoy this one.